Hello, students. Welcome back to our online classes. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 11 of Standard 3rd, and the name of the lesson is The Use of Will and Shall. The use of will or shall. Dear students, we have already learned the use of will and shall in unit number 7 on special verbs. Will or shall is used with verb 1 to take up some future actions. Now, what is V1? V1 is a verb. For example, play, sing, write. Shall can be used for I and we. Shall can be used for I and we. For example, I shall, we shall. Now, will is used for you, he, she, it, they, and other subjects, which are singular or plural. I repeat, will is used for you, he, she, it, they, and other subjects, which are singular or plural. For example, you will, he will, she will, it will, and they will. Dear students, in modern English, shall is used only in questions with I and we. In modern English, shall is used only in questions with I and we. Let us have some examples. Number one, he will do his homework. Who? He. He will do his homework. They will come here tomorrow. I will or shall go there by train. Shall I go there by train? Dear students, now there is one very important note that be is the common V1 form of is, am, are, was, and were. Be is the common verb 1 form of is, am, are, was, and were. Let us have some examples in tenses. There are three types of tenses all over the world: present, past, and future. In the first sentence, you can see in a present form, I am late. I am late. In a past tense, I was late. I was late. And in a future tense, I shall be late. I shall be late. In a present form, the form of to be's are am, is, are. In a past tense, they will become was and were. In a future, they will become shall be or will be. Example number 2, he is late. And the past tense of this sentence will be he was late. The future form is he will be late. He will be late. Another example is right here in front of you. You are late. In a past tense, you were late. And in a future tense, you will be late. Now, for negatives, we use not after will or shall. For negatives, we use not after will or shall. Let us have some example. But before the examples, dear students, here are some short forms. Try to understand these short forms. Will not will become won't, and shall not will become shan't. But we mostly use won't in place of shan't. Example is here now. Example number 1. He will not do his homework. He will not do his homework. And with the help of short forms, this sentence will become he won't do his homework. Will not become won't. Example number 2. They will not come here tomorrow. They will not come here tomorrow. Exactly. Will not will become won't. And the correct sentence will be they won't come here tomorrow. They won't come here tomorrow. Now, here is one example belongs to shall not. In this sentence, I shall not go there by train. I shall not go there by train. And we can use both shan't and won't in this sentence. First example, I shan't go there by train. I shan't go there by train. Another one is I won't go there by train. Now, for a question form, for questions, we use will or shall before the subject. V1 comes after the subject. Dear students, try to understand very carefully. We use will or shall before the subject. Verb 1 comes after the subject. Let us have some examples. These sentences are questions. These are not sentences, these are questions, we would say. Shall we go by train? Question mark. Shall we go by train? Will he do his homework? Will they come here tomorrow? Will they come here tomorrow? These are the questions. For negative questions, not can come after will or shall or before V1. Not can come after will or shall or before verb 1. Verb 1 means main verb. Let us have some example. Will he play with his dog? Will he play with his dog? Will he not play with his dog? Negative questions. Dear students, we are studying negative questions. We will he not play with his dog? Will not he play with his dog? Won't he play with his dog? Another example number 2. Shall we go by train? Shall we go by train? Shall we not go by train? With the help of not, this sentence become negative. Shall we not go by train? Shall not we go by train? Won't we go by train? These are the negative questions, and not can come after will or shall or before V1. Dear students, I hope you enjoy this video. See you in a next very interesting lesson and video. Till then, goodbye and take a very good care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.